Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies and Toca Boca, easy method. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line a baking sheet with parchment. Start by creaming 1 cup butter with 1 cup sugar until light and fluffy, then beat in 2 eggs and 1 tsp vanilla. Slowly add 2 cups flour and 1 tsp baking soda, fold in chocolate chips, and chill dough briefly before scoop. For a soft center and crisp edges, cream the butter and sugar until fluffy, then add eggs one at a time with vanilla. Mix dry ingredients in a separate bowl and add them gradually, folding just until combined so gluten stays tender. Use a tablespoon or cookie scoop for uniform cookies. Place dough balls 2 inches apart and chill briefly if dough is sticky to prevent spreading during baking. Bake the cookies for 9 to 12 minutes, watching for golden edges and slightly soft centers that will firm as they cool. Let them rest 5 minutes on the hot sheet, then move to a wire rack to cool completely so textures set perfectly. While cookies cool, open Toca Boca and set up a fun pretend kitchen to enjoy with kids or to take playful photos for memories and sharing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.